Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. Today we're going to be working on a 2007 Chevy 1500 Suburban. Alright, so parts gonna need brake pads, clips, grease, 13mm, and a pair of pliers, because these caliper nuts like to get stuck. Maybe. Loosen the caliper bolts, plain Jane simple. Of course, always get that one, it's gonna be a pain in the butt. Alright, so you see how the nut back here is turning. Pair of pliers, vice grips, all works the same. Same for the bottom. Oh, this is gonna be nice. Alright, so it looks like someone put the brake pad on wrong. I'll show you why here in a minute, because this should just slide itself right off. I'll show you why. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Press the caliper in so that I can get past their boo-boo. Come on. All right. So here is their boo-boo, and it damages the caliper when they do so. See that big indentation right there? See your brake pads? Got a little nodule right here. This one does not. That's because they put this one back here, which in turn sits right there. Not supposed to. Not supposed to. Flat end's supposed to be back here. That way that has the entire caliper piston to be able to press on the pad. This was pressing on just the two nodules, so you had less braking ability, and then it also damages caliper when you got to go do this simple job. So take note: flat, no nodules in the back, nodules on the front, because it will slide right in there and affect absolutely nothing. If you get a good set of brake pads, you get a new set of clips. Clips are important. See? Clips get dirty. Your brake pad slides on there. If they get dirty, they can't slide easily. If they can't slide easy, they stick. They stick, they wear down quicker. They wear down quicker, get uneven braking, and nice little brake noise that no one likes to hear. New clips, everything slides on. If you don't have new clips, get new clips or clean them up. Some grease on the back. Grease is good. Does two things. Allows the caliper or the bracket to slide onto the metal surfaces with no friction. Prevents it from making noise. See what I say? nodules up front. That way they have no ability of damaging that piston in the back. Front one's always the back ones are always the fun one. Can't see. Probably not gonna see this because it's too close. Anyways, as a master mechanic struggles putting a set of brake pads on. Plain and simple, going back together. You tighten up the caliper, good and tight. Oh, there we go. Always problems. All right, squeeze caliper back in. I got my cool tool. Use channel locks, big ones, or C-clamp, or brake caliper compressing tool, or screwdriver, whichever you have, but no slot in here. You can't really compress it in like the other models, so you're gonna have to use some sort of cool tool in order to do so. Let's see what kind of damage this thing did just by putting on the wrong brake pads, wrong side. It's not too bad, didn't get in the seal, but still a no-no. Tighten up into 13s. Pretty simple brake job. All right, tighten it up, put tire back on, good to go. Any questions, comments, please let me know. Thank you.